Okay, do I breathe?
It's okay. You're alive. Is this your first adjustment or no?
It's my second.
Wow. You never had your neck adjusted before?
No. That I'm terrified of.
She thinks she might get murdered. Ribs.
Okay.
I'm just gonna lean on you.
Okay.
Okay.
What? Okay.
Okay, take a deep breath. Let it out.
Oh my god.
She's terrified, guys.
Yeah. That was interesting.
Okay, you're doing good. What's that?
Thank you. What was that pop from? Under my scapula somewhere?
It's your ribs.
It's my ribs?
Yeah, because you have your whole rib cage here.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh my god. Huh.
That was in there. I'm just kidding.
That was in there.
Okay, you feel okay?
I feel good. I feel good.
Okay.
I'm confused at what I feel right now, so I don't know what's happening.
Okay. And then we'll just do this. There you go. I'm just opening up your whole foot.
Oh, thank you.
It's good for being an
It
athlete.
feels open.
There you go. And then bring a straight leg up over here. Push up. And it's much more stronger.
It feels stronger, yeah.
Yeah, because everything gets glued scar tissue, then the muscles just start turning off because your body is trying to reorganize itself. So like if these are glued together when you're walking, it could compensate and just put pressure on your knee and your low back.
I see.
So that's why it's like a car that's out of alignment.
Yeah,
It just breaks down over time. It's just like a body. Okay, and then push up right here. Just kidding. And your pubic bone is out of alignment.
Yeah,
You're like,
sorry, it's messed up.
you're like, don't do that angle.
Yeah.
I'll just do a sideways.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, and then like, don't put the mic over there either.
Is this what's happening?
No, I'm just kidding. We're just using your back.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. Right there. Okay, deep breath.
Oh my god! That was crazy. That was a lot of different spots.
Yeah, you needed that. You can breathe. Okay, you're doing good. Okay, let's see. Push up hard as you can right here. Yep, this is, then bring this leg up and turn your foot out, and then push this leg, push up. See, it doesn't work. So that's your psoas right there. It's tender. I guess we record this. That can tighten up your back, basically.
I see.
Okay.
I'm shaking. This is normal. Yes.
Yeah, it's normal. I've worked on so many people. I've had every reaction.
Okay. Both knees. Wait.
All right, just go like that. Breathe. Let it out.
Fun feeling.
This is not a good feeling. Breathe. You're doing good.
Thanks. It's very uncomfortable.
Yeah, she's been uncomfortable this whole time. Breathe. This is an emotional muscle. You have to let everything out.
Okay.
We'll check your emotions at the end.
Okay. Yes.
You're doing good. There you go.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. And keep this leg up.
Okay.
Push up right here. Okay, that's much better. This will protect your low back because this makes you go like that.
Yeah.
And then your back gets tight.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so we got
Other side too?
yeah, we're gonna release the other side.
Great.
Okay, go. Okay, here we are. She's getting adjusted. Okay, give me this hand. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you're doing good.
Thanks.
You're not gonna fall, don't worry.
Okay.
Okay. All right, we're gonna adjust her low back. She needs this.
Yes, apparently.
Okay. Relax the arms. Okay. It's okay. You're alive.
That felt good.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah. Other side?
You gotta be cautious with hers.
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, yeah, I'll do the other side.
Okay.
Okay. Also, it's good to make deals with people that do videography.
Oh, yeah.
Or actually, you could actually just talk to a regular person. The videos don't have to be perfect, actually. Okay, you ready for this?
I think so.
You gotta adjust your sacrum. Okay. It's okay.
Okay.
She thinks I'm trying to murder her.
Yes, I think so.
Okay, you're doing good.
Thanks.
Okay. Okay, you feeling okay so far?
Yeah. I feel really good.
Wait.
Oh my God, Donovan! You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
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 Don't give yourself a concussion. And
That was a
force
mini
you.
concussion.
Oh God.
She thinks she might die from this, so let's see what
It's
happens.
gonna be on camera.
It's gonna be on camera. Let's see. I'm barely putting pressure.
Okay.
Okay, if she wanted to get murdered,
It
I'm
would-
just kidding. She can request that.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Let's see. Actually, this is not. Okay, there you go.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna put this much pressure.
Okay. Do I breathe?
Yeah.
Okay. When?
You should be breathing the whole time.
Okay.
So ready, set, go. Okay. So you're gonna bring the shoulder down,
Okay.
and I'm like this, and I take a deep breath, and let it out.
Oh my God. That was a big crack.
Yeah.
That I heard.
You have good cracks.
Was it audible to you?
Yeah, I can hear it.
Okay.
It's just gas flying out of the joint.
Okay.
I'm only pressing this hard. I'm like,
And that did all of that?
yeah, is this because I put you all the way at the end range and I just add up a little bit force?
Okay, I'm a little shaking right now. I'm shaking.
Good.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Again? On the other
Yeah.
side?
This is your atlas that stimulates rest and digest mode
Okay.
because we're stimulating your vagus nerve.
And I need more of that.
Yeah.
I'm stressed.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
She's stressed out because of this. I'm just kidding.
Large pressure here, yeah. Okay.
Okay. Let me just put this mic here just so we can hear your screams. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm gonna just right here.
Okay.
So you're gonna bring the shoulder down a little bit, and you're gonna go take a deep breath, let it out. Oh, you did good.
I'm okay, right? I'm still here.
I barely pressed on your neck.
I'm still here. Okay.
Okay.
A whole bunch of like wet. I don't know what's happening. Like I feel a lot of blood up here. A lot of blood.
That's good. She's much smarter now. She did it.
Okay.
She hired me because I'm the scariest chiropractor.
Yeah.
in the
Yes.
All right, she faced her fears and she finally got her neck adjusted.
Yes.
So, were you terrified?
It was actually exactly what I thought it was gonna be. It was terrifying, and I thought I was gonna die. But afterwards, apparently, I'm still here. So,
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, how do you feel?
I feel. I'm still trying to like understand what I'm feeling, but I think I feel good.
Okay.
I think this helped a lot. I'm shaking and I'm buzzing. I feel like there's blood going places that it doesn't usually go to, so I'm very overwhelmed. But yeah, it was really good.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna do one more test.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Like, it's not hot. In Burbank, like up in the valley, it's super hot during the day. But in like LA, it's normal.
Okay.
Probably because the pollution's covering the sun.
Probably. Yes, get a little shade. Let's do heels together. Turn your toes out. Okay, this is called short spine, and go ahead and lay down. We're lift up to the ceiling. Okay, from here, you're gonna roll your butt up in the air. Your feet are gonna go up that way to the top of the tower. Yep, all the way up so your butt is high.
Okay.
Yeah, keep going, keep going. There. Okay, hold it. Now pushing a